ready, Pilipinas, para sa isang kakaibang party.
Eto na ang party na sumisiklab.
Alam mo, madali ka nang hinihintay ng bansang ito.
This is our generation. What you do today will echo to our generation.
Pastors, mobilize your church. Rak-raka na!
Kabataan, ipanalo natin ang bagong panahon.
Let's get this party started.
Buong bansa, ipanalo mo kabataan. Your time to shine, your turn to succeed.
Get ready, Pilipinas!
Time mo na, turn mo pa. Wala nang pigilan nito.
Turn to stand and claim the nation.
Isulong ang liwanag.
Haputan na to, dalhin lahat. Nanay, tatay, kaklase, katrabaho, ka-churchmate, kapuso, lahat.
Walang papuntang hindi prepared. Dala sa tenga, pudpudin ang tungo, ihanda ang puso, lupitan ang uhaw.
It's time to shine. This is the generation of nation transformers.
Kabataan, ikaw naman ang tatayo.
Yugyugan na, pagmadali na, dug-dug-dug, Nation Transformers, malapit na.
Walang KJ, walang party pooper, bata, matanda. Lahat magwawala.
Tara na, time ko, time mo, time nating lahat.
Virgin ito ng apoy kakalat sa buong bansa.
Pastors, let's rise up. Kailangan na kailangan po tayo ng Pilipinas.
It's time to change this nation.
Don't you dare not be prepared for it.
Beyond time, alas 7 pa lang pumila na, alas 9, punto, rakrakan na sa kanila.
Nation Transformers, December 21, 2011. 7 to 9 a.m. open house, 9 to 5 p.m. program proper. Be there!
Watch out for the many exciting booths, games, and many more surprises.
History Makers Conference.
Nation Transformers.
December 21, 2011, Cuneta Astrodome.
Magpapahuli ka pa ba?
Pakahuli ka ba?
Papahuli ka pa ba?
Magpapahuli ka pa ba? Magpapahuli ka pa ba?
Don't dare miss it.
Teka! May first stop ka na ba? Ay,
Grab your wrist tags now.
Grab your wrist tags now.
guys, grab your wrist tags now.
Grab your wrist tags now. Grab your wrist tags now.
Meron na ba kayo nito? Kung wala pa, grab your wrist tags na.
Grab your wrist